Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel that covers amazing shipping container projects from around the world. In this video, we bring to you an affordable shipping container house built by a young couple in Hout Bay, Cape Town, South Africa. Stay tuned to find out more about this affordable shipping container home. This custom-built home is built entirely from shipping containers and recycled shipping materials. The house is built using two 20-foot shipping containers. The containers were delivered by truck and craned into location. The containers are elevated off the ground, placed side by side, set apart more than 3 feet, and sheared horizontally to create a dynamic floor plan with more habitable space to accommodate a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, open plan living with a lounge, kitchen and dining, plus a big outdoor deck at the front of the house. The containers were modified on site by cutting out windows and doors plus the interconnecting openings between the containers. Steel frames made of 50mm steel bars were welded around the cuttings to reinforce the window and door openings. The dents and the rusty sections of the shipping containers were rust-proofed using iron oxide paint. All doors and windows were bought from a second-hand store. The floor gap between the two containers was connected using a timber beam framework, which can easily slide out when there is need to relocate the house to a new site. Pieces of steel cut out from the shipping container walls were used to connect the two containers. A lean-to roof was built over the bridge between the two containers, which is attached using 6 bolts that can easily be unscrewed when the house is to be relocated to a new site. The containers were framed both inside and out, and the glass windows topped with polythene lining to prevent staining from the insulation spray. The electrical wiring and plumbing was installed on the outside before insulation. The house was insulated both inside and out using polyurethane foam. A container house can be insulated either on the inside or both depending on many factors. Most often, container homes are framed and insulated on the inside. The foam on the outside was trimmed out and painted in gray to create a beautiful appearance when the gaps of the timber cladding are installed on the exterior. With the house completely watertight, the interior finishes and fittings were installed. A recycled white-framed glass door opens into an open-plan living space that features a lounge with 2 upholstered seats and a coffee table. Next to the lounge is a U-shaped kitchen with beautiful handmade sugar gum wood countertops, modern appliances, and custom-designed cabinets with some open shelving. The breakfast nook is the stunner of the living space. It is a pretty bright space with banquet seating that also doubles up as storage space. The breakfast nook is fitted with a large picture window that maximizes on light and transparency, as well as optimizing the amazing views of the mountains and the outdoors. Past the breakfast nook is the study area that is tucked between the dining and the bathroom. The study nook is designed with a small desk space for 2 and has a nice big storage drawer for gear underneath the floor. There is a bathroom with a washing machine slot, a counter, and a shower in the bottom corner. The shower base is crafted out of timber and polished with polyurethane. Off the kitchen is a big master bedroom. The bedroom is all about clever storage, from the cool cupboard with crate drawers to the storage under the bed for clothes, linen, or general stuff, plus a comfortable bed to sleep. The metal portions of the containers are visible in some sections of the living room, bringing out the industrial texture and character to the house interior. The interior is painted white to make the space appear bigger and brighter, helping to eliminate any confinement associated with shipping container spaces. Most of the interior fabrics and linens were handmade by the couple, including the puffs, the pillows, and the window blinds. By attaching timber cladding on the exterior, from a distance, this container house looks like a wooden house. The wood cladding makes the house look simple, but at the same time very elegant. A large deck at the entrance is a great place to enjoy warm evenings, view the stars at night, and even a nice outdoor dining area for romantic dinners and suppers. We love the excellent execution of this amazing house, more specifically the extensive use of recycled materials throughout the construction process. The entire journey of the construction process is well documented by the couple on their blog and Instagram page. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. In their last post, the couple indicated that the house is complete and is up for sale. They were also to provide a cost breakdown of their affordable house in a later post. Which part of this house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.